4, 5, 6.
Someone must feel like a fool tonight, knowing they let you go. Someone is wishing they'd done you right, regretting they hurt you so. Now that you're here in my loving arms, forget all your yesterdays. Someone must feel like a fool tonight for letting you slip away. When I see the moon shining in your eyes, a feeling comes over me. The warmth of your touch makes me realize just how lucky can I be. Surely he knows, and he's sorry now that he turned your love away. Someone must feel like a fool tonight, knowing you're here to stay. My loving arms, forget all your yesterdays. Someone must feel like a fool tonight for letting you slip away. Someone must feel like a fool tonight for letting you slip away.
This dance is Storybook Endings, choreographed by Neil Hale. It's a 48 count, one wall waltz. Section 1, starting on the right foot, cross behind, side, side, cross behind, side, side. Section 2 is the same as section 1, cross behind, side, side, cross behind, side, side. Section 3, step forward, side rock, recover, step forward, side rock, recover. Section 4 is the same as section 3. Step forward, side rock, recover, step forward, side rock, recover. Section 5, rock onto right, step left, slightly back, cross. Step back on left, turning to right diagonal, side, cross. Section 6, step back on right, turning to left diagonal, side, cross. Step back on left, turning to right diagonal, side, cross. Section 7, step back on right, square to 12, side rock, recover, cross, hold for 2 counts. Last section, side rock, recover, cross, full turn right, stepping quarter, half, quarter, and you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's a whole dance.